Hello, my name is Aden, and welcome back to Aden's Universe. Would you like to introduce yourself, Sunny?
Yes.
This is Sunny. Say hi, Sunny.
Hi.
And this is SpongeBob.
And
Say hi, SpongeBob. How do you do?
And this is Unicorn. Say hi, Unicorn. How do you do?
So today, my friends, we are making homemade sweet potato cinnamon rolls. Some people call these yam. So let's get started. Okay, so first you're gonna need a sweet potato. You can call it a yam. Let's see what else. Crescent dough sheet. Yeah. Ooh. What is this? Light.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, light brown sugar. Pecans. Butter. What? Oh. Ground cinnamon. Oh, cinnamon's my favorite, like cinnamon. Toast crunch. Ground nutmeg. Now, ask your parents to help you melt the butter. Once the butter is melted, you can put the butter on the dough. All right, Sunny, would you like to go first? Mm-hmm. You wanna go?
Aiden's just good.
Yeah.
It's just butter. How could I just
Oh.
destroy you or something?
Okay, so once you're done putting the butter on the dough, spread the potato mixture on the dough. Yes.
Put that there.
I didn't know.
Hey, that's my side.
Sunny, share.
Okay, I'll share.
Share both sides. Might want to ask your mommy and daddy to help you too. Just remember that, guys. It's important to ask people for help. Okay, so once you're done putting the sweet potato on your dough, put the pecans on it, okay?
Yeah,
And that's all you need to do. And plus, if you do good, I might make you a Krabby Patty.
Sure.
Yep. Okay, let's go. Okay, my turn again. All right, your turn.
Okay.
Wow, this is really making me, well, this is so exciting.
Yeah, I know, SpongeBob.
Uh-huh.
You just love Krabby Patties that's why we got
I work
some
for
gummy
Mr.
bears.
Krabs #1.
Yeah.
All right, so this is what it should look like when it's done. So ask your parents for help to cut the cinnamon rolls. And I'm gonna say this again. Never play with knives. Safety first. All right, okay? One last thing. Make sure to wash your hands because I did.
I forgot.
What?
Oh, good.
I need to wash my hands, but it's okay.
What?
You what?
Mommy, are we gonna have to eat that one?
While your cinnamon rolls are baking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the glaze that's gonna go over top.
I want to eat.
I know, so it's just gonna be 1/2 stick of cream cheese, a 1/2 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of sweet potato puree.
Coming.
And just gonna mix it all up.
So this is what it should look like when it turns out. Looks so delicious.
I wish I
Also
could eat it right now.
Like this. Okay, take it off. Take it off. Take it off. All right, let's try it.
I'm gonna try this first because I just.
It tastes really good. Mmm. Mommy, have another one, please. All right, guys, you reached the end of the video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.